ApeCoin, the Ethereum-based token from the Bored Ape Yacht Club ecosystem, has become one of the most valuable metaverse tokens, with a market cap surpassing $5.7 billion. This news actually came out after the Bored Ape Yacht Club's ecosystem creators, Yuga Labs, announced the creation of the coin. ApeCoin has surpassed other metaverse cryptocurrencies such as Decentraland's Mana token, Sandbox's Sand token, and Axie Infinity's AXS token. Currently, ApeCoin is number 31 on CoinMarketCap in terms of ranking. The recent price jump for ApeCoin has been mainly attributed to the fact that Bored Ape Yacht Club has announced the launch of its new metaverse project, Otherside. Otherside is auctioning land exclusively through ApeCoin. This is being done by Dutch auction, and the land supply is totaling 100,000 NFTs. And 55,000 of the other deed land NFTs sold out within 3 hours of the public sale. And this meant that Yuga Labs took in $317 million. Also, it's important to note that the NFTs that were scooped up were all the ones that accepted ApeCoin. The mint price was 305 ApeCoin, which was around $5,800 at the time of mint. It brought in around 16.7 million ApeCoin, which was $317 million worth, making it the record-setting NFT mint. And also, the buyers did have to pass a KYC verification, and the NFTs will give buyers rights to claim lands in the Otherside metaverse. And this is that blockchain-based metaverse that is being created by Yuga Labs. Now, we all know the crypto market is bleeding. Bitcoin's price has been hovering between the $40,000 mark, and it's currently gone down to around $38,000. So we're pretty much in the red across the board. Otherwise, if we were in a bull run, the price rallies we would have seen for ApeCoin would have been unparalleled. The current price for ApeCoin is $14.75. It's very similar to the Bitcoin chart. Most of the altcoins are presenting charts like this. But ApeCoin has been making so many bullish news announcements just in the last 24 hours. This tweet is so key. After the Otherside meta mint, they said that Ape should move to its own chain to limit issues with gas fees and scaling, particularly to do with Ethereum. As we know, Ethereum has slow transaction speeds and very high fees. Yuga Labs said that they were sorry that they turned off the lights on Ethereum for a while, and it was clear that ApeCoin will need to migrate to its own chain in order to properly scale. So this is going to be in the works, and I do believe that when they release their own chain, ApeCoin's price will rally. And if we're in a bull run, you can only imagine what some of the all-time highs could be. Now, one of the most exciting news that was also announced only yesterday, one of the world's largest Web3 ecosystems, Polygon, as we know, is going to be making ApeCoin available for 19,000 plus dApps and games across the board. This means that ApeCoin and their metaverse projects will be able to enter the Polygon ecosystem, which allows them to tap into Polygon's community. This is fantastic for future price rallies and mass adoption, because we're now entering one of the biggest ecosystems out there, which is Polygon-matic. There are talks all across the board about what I just said about them moving away from Ethereum. So I'm really excited to see how their new chain is, what the fees will be like, how it will facilitate NFT minting, staking, and all the different use cases that can come with the Ape token and the NFTs in their ecosystem. On April 30th, we also saw that leading NFT marketplace OpenSea is now accepting ApeCoin. This was all in the same day, the same build-up of the Otherside metaverse drop. This came just days after Ape became the largest metaverse token by market cap. The potential of the metaverse and NFT markets are only growing. The global NFT market is expected to grow by $147.24 billion during 2022 to 2026. This is a compounded annual growth rate of 35.27%. And if ApeCoin is one of the most valuable metaverse NFT ecosystem tokens out there, then we can only imagine where the price rallies could lead to, especially in the next bull run that we expect to see around 2023. Right now, with all this bullish news that we are seeing with ApeCoin, Polygon, the chain, Otherside, we are expecting huge price rallies, but this will not happen until we see the overall crypto market back in a confidence streak where we see Bitcoin's price rally again. Right now, this is not being translated into ApeCoin's price. They are more short-term price swings rather than long-term rallies that we see in full-blown bull markets. But exactly this is the time as to why we should hold ApeCoin now. Look at the prices. They are heavily discounted compared to the previous all-time highs. The previous all-time high is more than double from where we're at, $39.40. We're currently down 62.55%, and this was in March 2022. Despite us seeing, not massive bull runs across the board, but ApeCoin showed those rallies. Some of these price falls for ApeCoin have been really exaggerated, but we did see a temporary price jump when the Other Side Metaverse project drop took place on April 30th. But prior to that, we have seen huge liquidations, a lot of volatile trading. We saw this for Dogecoin and ApeCoin. Actually, futures tracking these two tokens showed that there were around $35 million of losses with high liquidations taking place. As you can see, these drops have been insane, and we did see a slight spike just over here on April 30th when we saw the Other Side Metaverse launch. But since then, just major sell-offs, and this has been largely fueled by the overall crypto market sentiment. Bitcoin hasn't really been exceeding the $40,000 range. It always keeps hitting that resistance level and falling back down. Of course, this doesn't help with the overall macroeconomic market conditions we're seeing, rising interest rates, geopolitical risks with Russia, Ukraine. Then we've seen higher commodity prices, fuel prices. Overall, the market sentiment has been low, not only in the crypto markets, but also in the growth stock market as well. A lot of tech stocks have been seeing sell-offs, but if you guys are in crypto for a while, you know that this does happen in bear markets. And actually now is the time to accumulate your favorite coins, the ones with good fundamentals. And with all the changes we're seeing in ApeCoin, imagine if their blockchain is released during the time of a bull run. The all-time high rallies you will see will be insane, great returns on your investment. So that is why I am accumulating ApeCoin right now. Anyway, guys, I'm going to keep this video fairly short. I wanted to just update you with all the stuff that's happening in the ApeCoin ecosystem and how it is one of the most valuable metaverse tokens out there. If you guys are bullish on ApeCoin, do hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video, as a lot of the information is time sensitive. Also, remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.